welcome back to my channel. It's Janay. Today in this video I will be showing you guys how to complete this look, which I am installing a lace frontal wig on myself. And also at the end of this video I do have a special announcement for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. So to prep my hair, I definitely apply wild growth grease throughout my scalp because it just helps promote the growth, and I do think the wild growth helps a lot, the hair oil. And then I definitely apply a ball cap, well, stocking cap, because I do the ball cap method. And you'll see in this clip I will be spraying freeze spray all over my hairline. Well, I also do cut out my ears. Definitely cut out your ears because it just feels awkward just sitting on your ears while you're doing all the other steps. So just cut out your ears first to just get that out of the way. And then I spray freeze spray all over my hairline to protect the hair and just to make sure nothing's coming out. And also prior I did place gel on like my edges and stuff. I did not use the Got2b gel because sometimes that gel does give me like a reaction to it, so I just used regular hair gel and I held down like the front of my hairs, like my wannabe baby hairs, aka edges, to be protected when I cut off the surrounding bald cap. As you see in this following clip, I am blow drying the freeze spray just to get that all dry. I was gonna wait it out, but I was kind of rushing because I had work later this evening and I did not want to take forever in this completing this tutorial for you guys. Finally, I clip off the remainder of the ball cap just so I could have everything prepped and ready for my next steps. So I just use a regular scissors and I cut the remainder off. I know some people would like to use the little razors, but sometimes it doesn't cut the bald cap the way I want it to, and I like a direct cut, so I usually use scissors to make it easier and faster. In these clips, I am placing makeup along my bald cap just to give it more of a natural look to match my skin tone, especially when I part the unit. I want to make it look like this is my hair growing out of my scalp. So I use makeup. I'm using, I believe it's NYX. It's a NYX foundation, and that's what I just use to give it that natural look. And then after, I did apply some of the foundation with the same brush onto the lace of the frontal. And I applied some freeze spray after, and I blow dried it out to give it also that tan look. So I didn't want to leave that just to be light. Here I am just taking a look at the wig to make sure it is fitting and it's going to be where I want it to be placed. In this clip, I am taking rubbing alcohol and I'm spraying it on a tissue and rubbing that around my hairline to make sure when I want to glue this wig on, it's going to glue on properly. Another reason why I do apply that rubbing alcohol, because sometimes your forehead has like oils on it, so I just want to make sure my Ghost Bond is really gonna stick on here. And that is the glue that I use to glue my lace on. It usually does last me about 2 to 3 weeks, just depending on my upkeep and how much I wrap my hair at night. Some weeks I get lazy and I'll stop wrapping my hair and then the wig would obviously fall off, but it just depends on my upkeep. I'm applying about 3 layers of glue and I was getting a little low. The bottle was empty and the hair stores are closed due to quarantine. So your girl was trying to scavenge anything out that bottle so I can glue this damn wig on my head. After applying each layer of glue, I definitely waited for it to dry, and then I also blow dried it a little. In this clip, I am pulling down the lace. I don't cut off the excess lace before gluing on the wig. It's just me, like especially when the wig's new, because I want to see, like the excess lace helps me pull the wig on properly. If I don't know if I'm making sense by what I'm trying to say, but it's just a guidance and it helps make it the process easier for me. Honestly, some people cut it off, some people don't. I do not, because I just love having that excess lace to pull over and secure my wig. In this clip, I am cutting off that excess lace and I'm gonna take a final, not a final look, but then this is when I actually take a look at my hairline and I can see where needs more plucking, where I want everything to be, where I want the part to be, and so on. Before applying my wig, I definitely had used a white eyeliner pen to just mark out where I wanted it to lay when I was laying the glue down and everything, and I regretted that. I should have used a black eyeliner pen, because if you guys can see, I'm struggling in this clip. I'm using rubbing alcohol trying to wipe it out, but you can still kind of see excess of white because obviously it got glued into as well. So I tried my best to scrub that out. Here I'm marking my part, taking a look at the hair. Definitely I needed more plucking to go on, and I needed to be freaked because this wasn't it. In the next clip you guys will see, I'm going to use the Got to Be Freeze spray to kind of just freeze the lace. I'm trying to spray it on the lace because I'm still getting that white effect because I used the white eyeliner brush to outline. As you guys can see in this clip, you can see my aggravation. So I'm just trying to get that out, and I'm also just trying to melt the lace. I had already wrapped my hair. I wrapped my hair when I glued it on the off camera just to have it sitting. So make sure you guys wrap your hair once you glue it on. Like, you guys can pull down your edges and then wrap your hair, but I wrapped it before, and then I started clipping out my edges. As you guys can see, not edges but baby hairs, DK baby hairs. You guys can see this is a whole lot of baby hairs, so I had to customize the hell out of this unit. Yeah. In the next clip, you guys will see how I freaked this hair and how well I was able to lay down these baby hairs. These baby hairs was pretty snatched. I'm pretty impressed with this hair. I still have it on my head now. I love it. This hair is from VShow here on Amazon, so I do recommend you guys to purchase. I will be giving you guys an updated review on how this hair is now a few weeks later. And yeah, my special announcement at the beginning, I am a part of a YouTube engagement group, and we will be participating in, well, I will be participating in another giveaway that will be it'll be mentioned in my next video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that push notification bell to see the next video, period. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye-bye. I'm on your body.